Greetings, Earthlings. I have sectioned my hair into approximately 1-inch squares for the dread locks. And so I have a comb. I have many combs. I don't have the metal one, but now I'm going to be doing the back combing and rolling it with palm rolling with wax. I'm going to try that. I haven't tried the back combing method before. I've done the dreads in the wild. So anyway, so I'm just going to grab a comb, and I've already done a couple right here, but just going to start from the back, and then let's see here, just grab the hair. I'm trying to make them thinner this time. And I'm just going to hold it straight up and then turn it a little bit and start 1/2 inch and then back home. And then just twist it again, back home. Just keep going. I don't know if this is going to work. I've never tried this before. I just followed instructions. It was something that I found on the web. And so I figured this might take me a day or two because, I have to take all of them and go straight up. And, my hands are going to get tired or whatever. So just keep twisting them and then grab it another 1/2 inch. And try to get all of it as much as I can. And then I'm going to put wax on it. Oh, it came out unraveled or whatever. But so I'm going to do the Knotty Boy Wax, which is it's kind of looks like Burt's Bees hand salve. That's what it looks like anyway. And so I'm just going to try to put it at different parts. I'll try to get most of the dread. And the reason why I'm doing this, the wax, is my hair is very frizzy. And it's very straight. And I looked more like a cave woman than I did like dreads. It did not, it just looked really wispy. So anyway, so I'll put this on, and I'm supposed to roll it. I haven't done this one before. Hand rolling it, palm rolling it, or whatever. And then I'm just going to put a small little rubber band at the end. And that's it. I'm just going to finish the rest of them tonight or tomorrow.